Samsung's upcoming smartwatch will be powered by a new chipset known as W930. Their name was spotted in certification with Bluetooth database along with a model number. It's the same model number of W920 that was used in Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. So for the Galaxy Watch 6, so the chipset W930 will be a more binned version of the W920, retaining same architecture. It's expected to be around 10% faster. It will support Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi and will be built on the same 5nm processor node as the W920 chipset. The certification says that it needs an additional RF chip for a full Bluetooth Wi-Fi solution. There was a rumored 980 coming up, but that might have been a temporary name and the final chip name will be W930. Another likely possibility, which is very less, is that W980 chipset might be for a higher end model, but that doesn't seem to be coming out now. It will be unveiled on July 26th with the One UI Watch 5 on it.